Yeah, pulling that again, nailing it. Now, Tencio's in an interesting position because he's currently in first place, but he's got a heat of riders behind him, so he knows he needs to extend his lead as much as he can, so you can pretty much count on him sending it here.
Tencio with a transfer there from spine to the box jump, kicker, Superman C-Grab Aaron coming into the box, 360 bar to downside tail whip, and a double downside whip right there. Whoa! Throwing out all the stops.
I believe that was an 810 is what that one's called.
As this was going over the hip, we're not quite at the 900, but that was big.
Well, again, he's throwing it down here. Will this run eclipse his first run score, and will he make it harder on the guys chasing him right now? 5 seconds.
And then that cork 720, and coming up with a flare.